Alright guys, so welcome to today's review video. So I'm so excited to reveal a secret to you guys. If you are into email marketing, you are interested in growing your over and over and over again and then making money from your list, which is the end goal of building your list. Now, this method I want to share with you is a very simple but powerful method. Yes, it's going to help you in two ways. Number one, in three ways, how you can grow your list for free, and then you'll be having like 100 subscribers. Like, let's say every single week you're having 100 subscribers, and then from as you are growing your list and then having those subscribers, you can start making from them right away, instantly, even if you don't have any single product to sell to them. So I'm going to show you all that. And then number three, I'm going to show you the simple thing you need that you can give out. Yes, you can give out and then start getting people into your lists. That is, and that will be what I'll be sharing with you, which is cheat sheets. Yes, that is cheat sheets. So in case for you, if you don't know what cheat sheets is all about, I'll try to search on Google, but it seems okay. I can see one that says cheat sheets is a concise set of notes used for quick reference. Cheat sheets are so named because they may be used blah blah blah. Okay, in generally what it means is just like a brief information about a niche, about a subject, or about a topic. For instance, if you are into email marketing, you want to create a cheat sheet on email marketing. So your cheat sheet will contain maybe websites relating to email marketing, tools relating to email marketing, so many informations about references, guides, and then many things about email marketing, and all this information will be very brief and short. So it's going to contain many things that just navigates around email marketing. So cheat sheets is just about brief information, complete information about a topic, about a subject, or about a niche. So today I'm going to share with you how you can use cheat sheets. I'm not actually sharing with you. I want to show you how someone, a marketer, a pro marketer, a professional marketer, which I follow and I learn a lot from, how he uses cheat sheets, to add hundreds of new subscribers to his own email list. And that's what I'm going to be showing you right here in this video. So before I go ahead, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. In fact, I was so surprised. A friend of one of my students actually reached out to me and said, how come I'm putting a lot of high quality videos, high trainings, and then I'm still having very low subscribers of about 400? Where I say, well, I don't know, I don't understand. But he told me that I should encourage my viewers, my watchers, to actually subscribe to my channel, which is what I'm doing right now. So please go ahead. If you actually find value in this, you can subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe. Just click on the red button under this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out, I have amazing videos which I've done in the past. They are all quality. Yes, every single video I make, you learn one or two things here, and you always get a lot of feedback from people, many times over and over and over again. So, and the only way you can actually reach out to me as well is you can contact me on Facebook. For instance, if you watch any of my video and you have one or two questions for me, you might not want to leave a comment on YouTube, but you can always reach out to me on Facebook. So there's a link under this video to reach out to me on Facebook, and then you contact me for your questions. So let's get in right away. Sorry for taking about 2 minutes on that. I think it's necessary so you don't get stuck somewhere. I don't like people getting stuck on when trying to take action on what they know how to do best. So now I said I want to show you guys real life case study how a pro marketer is using cheat sheets to grow his list, and then how he creates that cheat sheets, and then how he makes money even while building his subscribers. So why building his subscriber base. So I'll be using my coach, which is my very good friend Alessandro Zamboni. Is a pro marketer. You can see is a top 10% vendor, a superstar vendor, top 5% affiliate, elite affiliate. He has over 26 offers that has been featured on WordPlus. So you see, I don't just follow people who don't get results. I follow build relationship with people who are getting the results. And that's what you need to do. You need to follow people who are getting results. You ask them questions, you buy their products. Yes, if you are learning from people and you are getting little 1 or 2 results, then you need to follow them, copy what they do, and then you also apply it as well. That's where you make progress. Just as you're watching this video, you also can learn, do 1 or 2 things, ask me questions, and then from me you can also learn from others as well. So now we're showing you exactly how my friend, my coach, actually does this, Alexander Zaboni. You can see now, let's go to this. This is products, past products. You can see he recently gave out lead generation cheat sheets. You can see 50 sales, that's 50 new subscribers. Christmas coloring books cheat sheet, you can see 50. Secret paper books cheat sheets 100, you can see 100. And then he sells, okay, Kindle traffic cheat sheets 100, you can see, okay, activity books cheat sheets 100 new lists. You can see just generating. It creates, any topic. You can see this is on journal, on Kindle, on email marketing. Just talk about any subject or anything. You can see this is Christmas time, and then it's creating cheat sheets on Christmas. You too can just think of a topic, a subject or idea, and then you generate your own cheat sheets. You can see 250 plus leads, new subscribers, free traffic cheat sheets. Of course, everyone wants to learn more about traffic, how they can get free traffic. So you can see 250 new leads, and then I think there was one more again. You can see again, make money online. Many people still want to make this kind of topics. You always trend and you always get results on. Whether you are selling or not, you still get results on this. So you can see it creates cheat sheets in different niches, different topics, and then it gives it out for free. It lists it on Warrior Plus. So let me go over to Warrior Plus now. This is still on Warrior Plus. So when you click on log into your dashboard and then you go to launch calendar, yes, launch calendar, it's going to bring you to right on this page. Now you are seeing products launched every single day, products that actually goes live, offers that go lives every single day on Warrior Plus. So this is last month, November 2020. So you can see in November 2020, on the first it released journal cheat sheet. So let's check that journal cheat sheet. Journal cheat sheet. Where is it? Journal cheat sheet. So you can see it got 100 sales. You can see 100 new subscribers with this journal cheat sheet. So if you actually check and see other cheat sheets he has actually released, let me see if I can find. Okay, this is one again, email marketing cheat sheets. On the 7th, you can see in that same week. So you can see in one week, within 7 days, he has generated, let's see, email marketing cheat sheets. So you can see another 100 leads. So you can see how powerful. So you can see even in between there was a Kindle traffic cheat sheet. So let me see. I think it should be somewhere. Okay, sorry. I think it should be somewhere. Where is it? What is the name of the stuff? Let me see. Email market. Okay, is email marketing? Okay, Kindle traffic cheat sheets. Kindle. I think it's somewhere, maybe somewhere hidden somewhere here or so. So I don't want to click that, and because of distraction purposes. So you can see we've seen 2 already here, journal cheat sheets and email marketing cheat sheets in just 1 week, and it generated over 200 new leads. So you can see how powerful this is. So you also can start giving out cheat sheets, create cheat sheets in any topic, and then you start getting new leads in your business. So what happens, you can see, okay, so what happens now once you begin to once you have cheat sheets and then you begin to get leads, how do you actually profit from your cheat sheets? How do you make money from your cheat sheets? Okay, you can see this is one more again, lead generation cheat sheets. So you can see lead generation cheat sheets. So to make money from your cheat sheets is very, very, very simple. It's very, very simple. For instance, it's giving out this for free, but then it will create an upsell for anybody who picks up these cheat sheets. Once they pick up the cheat sheet, they'll be directed, to buy a product relating to lead generation, that is getting leads. Or maybe when they pick up Kindle traffic cheat sheets, they'll be given an upsell, a new offer, a new product that they should buy maybe for $10, $17 on a topic relating to KD traffic or Kindle traffic, or a training or a course on Kindle traffic. It's just as simple as that. So here as well, if someone picks up email marketing cheat sheets, the person will be directed to pick up a course or a training on email marketing. And this as well, someone may be directed on a course or training on journal. So it's a very simple idea. You create a cheat sheet on any topic, and then you link it to put an upsell or a downsell to pick up a product that you are selling for a price. Or even if you don't have a product to sell, you can link it up to an affiliate offer, to an affiliate an affiliate product that you have applied for and then you are promoting. So this is one very smart way to make money with cheat sheets. So let's check out how much this guy makes with some of these free cheat sheets. So let's see the first one. You can see they make money online cheat sheets. You can see this is the first offer, which is the free cheat sheets. He got about 300. You can see about 300 new leads, and then he made and gave an upsell now, that is, was giving the right for people to sell these cheat sheets as their own. So you can see he got 7 sales, and then he generated over $100. You can see. So the next one, you can see product creation cheat sheets, and then it was giving it to sell. You can see 416 leads, 400 new leads, and then $200. So you can see. And the beauty of this is that it creates these cheat sheets within, I think within a second, within 30 seconds, within 1 minute, it creates this cheat sheet with his own software. And that's where I'm going to right now, because he's giving out this same software for everyone. So you can actually pick up this is cheat sheet generator and start, generating as many cheat sheets as you want, and then you give it out for free, and then you are building your list. And remember, you can always sell to your list at any time. So it only takes 30 seconds for you to create this kind of cheat sheets with Alessandro's online platform, which is going to give to you access once you pick up his cheat sheets generator online tool. So it costs I think about $17. It's going to cost $17. It's not yet live, but when you click on this under the link right now, it should have been live already. So go ahead and then just click on the buy button right under the sales page. Then you get access to this same tool that Alessandro is using to generate cheat sheets within 1 minute. And I also included bonuses for you. Yes, I've actually made my subscribers and I gave them amazing bonuses. I think, if I can remember, okay, I showed them training how they can grow, how they can start using the cheat sheets generator to grow their list, and then how they can make money with it instantly, and also a full training on how to take their cheat sheets to the next level. Yes, so you can go ahead, click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you to this page right here to get this wonderful online application. You can see it's just 3 things you need to do to start to generate your own cheat sheets, even in your own name. Number one, what to do is just you use your link. You go to the link they provide when you purchase it. They'll give you a link to access the online software. It's online. Just go to the link and then you enter your own niche. Just enter the niche of that cheat sheet that you want to generate, that you want to create. Just enter the name right there. Enter the cheat sheet, enter the name of your niche or a subject you want to create cheat sheets on, whether it's weight loss, marketing, diet, doctors, anything. Just enter it. Then the next thing, second step, once you enter your niche, you can enter your own name or your website name or your business name or anything, and then it automatically adds that to your cheat sheet. And then the next thing, imagine you just download your cheat sheets, or you can just edit it and make a new one. It's very fast, very simple, and easy to do. Now let's show you exactly what it means. When you generate your cheat sheets, this is exactly how it looks like. And you see this guy keeps doing it over and over and over again, and is getting people picking up all his cheat sheets. So you also can see, number one, you're going to get new information about your cheat sheets. Remember, you're not the one doing all this. The software will do all the work for you. Your own is just to enter the niche you want. If it is affiliate marketing, if it is bodybuilding, weight loss, reduce weight, whatever niche, email, anything, just enter the niche and enter your own name, where your name or your business name. You can see here, this is his own name, Alessandro. That's what you enter. You also enter your name right here, and that's all. And everything, slots in all the information that makes up your own cheat sheet. So go ahead and then pick up this amazing tool, this application, so you can start generating your own cheat sheets and grow your business and make money while building your own list. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolore. If you have any question for me, so please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link under this video, and most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want it, please, and I will really appreciate it. And if you have any question for me, you can ask under this video. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.